My name is Abibi Rampai, and I'm going to talk about kwashiorkor. Together, we can work on alleviate the disease of kwashiorkor in children from infant age to 5 years old. I know of a family member, a family friend who has a baby, and he decided to go work, leaving the baby with her grandmother. The grandmother was too old to take care of the baby, and she didn't know how to feed her with good food. And the baby starts to have swollen legs and stomach, but because they were not aware what they need to change to help the baby have good health, the baby suffered from kwashiorkor and he died at 9 months old because he lacked the right protein consumption. If left untreated, the condition can lead to coma, shock, or death. Kwashiorkor can be prevented by making sure you eat enough calories and protein rich food. Dietary guidance from the Institute of Medical recommend that 10 to 50 to 35% of adult daily calories come from proteins. The disease can be treated when diagnosed early enough and treatment is started, then chances of complete recovery is pretty bright. It's in case if there is damage to the mental and physical growth of an individual, then that will be permanent. If left untreated, the disease is usually fatal. Get more calories and protein will correct kwashiorkor. If treated is started early enough, treatment depends on the severity of condition. Calories are given first in the form of carbohydrates, simple sugars, and fats. Since the person will have been without much food for a long period of time, the reintroduction of food may take a week or more to accomplish safety. Should we see the signs of kwashiorkor in our children, our friends' children, our neighbors, and those people around us, we need to check on what they're giving them, and we need to help them that they may provide those children with proteins and quickly provide them with good food. If not, they need to visit the nearest clinic for advice so that they can know what to feed the babies, their babies. Thank you so much for taking your time to listen to our message. We will continue to share the message through television and radio so that we can always remind each other. And thank you.